Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at making a master course in Moodle. Master courses are great because you can work on them continuously throughout a term without affecting student work. You can also copy them into future course shells as Banner creates them. And if you email Moodle support, our admin can make you a manager and then you can add people as you will. This means that other instructors can contribute to your course and there are no students or student data to copy over between terms. Anyway, you'll start on the dashboard of your Moodle. Scroll down until you see the dashboard tasks. Click Create a Course. Sometimes it'll have you log in, sometimes it won't. Eventually you'll come up to this Add a New Course page. Title your course. Add a short name. I suggest your initials and whatever number you're going to be teaching. We'll keep it in the course development category and keep the visibility to hide. To make sure that this course continues to be available for however long you need it, you should uncheck the calculate end date from the number of sections box and then disable the course end date. You don't need to worry about a course ID number for now. You can describe it if you want, add summary files if you want to give it a banner image or whatever else you need, and change any other settings you would like. For example, we can change this to a topics format. Change the number of sections if you would like. Numerous other options. Once you're done setting up this course, just hit Save and Display, and you'll be able to work on your course.